Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a add-on for my JBC stations. This is a desoldering sucker gun. Basically it sucks up the solder. This video is not sponsored by JBC whatsoever. This is purchased with my own money, no discount or anything. Just figure I'd do an unboxing. I'll probably do a review video of it working too. But yeah, it's not cheap. This is $2,000, $2,000. It's a lot of money. I don't know how they package this up here, but yeah, I mean their tools ain't cheap, that's for sure. So we got this, and we probably got boxes in there. And this is basically what I ordered right here. So yeah, pretty pricey tag. Let's take these out, and then we can set this box off to the side here. Now, trying to get a hold of a sales rep, I don't know this. They have so much turnaround, I guess, at JBC for the sales reps. But I wanted to know if the thing came with tips or anything like that, you know. This one's heavy right here. So let's take this box. Set the box to the side. So we'll take a look at this is the iron. Update your software. Hopefully I'll be able to update DME 4 tool JBC touchscreen unit. Last time I did that, when I first purchased it, it bricked the device, so I'm kind of scared to update. Hopefully I don't have any issues. And it took a long time for it to get a replacement station too. So this is what I got. Yeah, see, I was wondering, does it come with the extra tips? No, you gotta buy them. It comes with one tip, I guess. Now, my question is, am I going to be able to use my tip cleaner to be able to clean the tip of this because it's angled? I'll have to set up my my tip cleaner for upright so I could go downwards. I'll have to try that. Yeah, this is your instruction manual telling you how to clean it and how it goes together and blah blah blah. These are all obviously different stations and stuff. I think I'm going to buy their other tip cleaner because my tip cleaner, it just keeps spinning and spinning. They moved the sensors outside so then the smoke won't trigger it off. There's the beauty right there. So mainly why I got this is because doing a lot of tensiometers with Hall effect sensors on the controllers, the game consoles. I think it's got some weight to it. Pretty cool packaging, I gotta say. Okay, and that's the one thing I was wondering, does it come with the cleaning kit? So I would have spent another $400 on the cleaning kit, which I think is overpriced for a cleaning kit. When I talked to somebody at JBC, finally they told me that it does come with the cleaning kit. Nice little box. Got a decent length on there. You got the button right there to hit the sucking power. Yeah, that would kind of suck to drop that if it falls off the stand. Alright, so you guys see that. I'm going to set that to the side so we can look at the other stuff. I like the 10. But yeah, I would have spent another $400 for this. Not knowing that it can't, came with this. So they have like disposable ones. So this is basically instead of using the glass. And then you have, this is the glass right here. But they do, from what I understand, they have disposable. They give you a decent amount of replacement tips. These must like obviously maybe burn up after a while or something. Not really too sure. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, you got new replacements, some filters. I don't know what that thing is. Like I said, I'm going to have to look into it. These are your pokers to clean the tips. And then you got this to be able to remove the glass. So it goes over like this. That's a heavy duty brush right there. And we got this guy. And you got a screwdriver here. And then you got a drill. These are drill bits basically to clear a clog. This is for replacing your tips. Selecting one thing, selecting another thing. So yeah, this is the stand, the DT530. I wonder if it comes with the steel wool. So we got our cable here. It's our power cable. You know what I wish is if they made these cables a lot longer, like double the length, so you could have it a lot farther away from the station. But yeah, this thing is kind of heavy. What's this little thing? Oh, that goes on the top of this. Oh, yeah. Who knows? So there's the stand. Yeah, so it does come with steel wool or whatever it is. Let's see how that sits in there. Oh, that sits in there nice. Nice and snug. So it's just not going to wiggle out like the tweezers do. Yeah, that's a nice tight fit. And then, like, how you supposed to put the tip in there? Go like this? Sideways? You can't go like this. They should have probably put this on the bottom here so you can go like this. I don't like that. They should change that. Maybe have the little holder here or whatever you're going to be putting down here, but they should have this, the cleaner thing, because, you know, getting it in here at an angle like that, you're not going to be able to get that if it's sitting on the table. So you'd have to go sideways like this. They should just have it right here. I don't know what they'd be thinking sometimes when they come out with these products. Like their adjustable tweezers. Oh, those things are horrible. Alright, so this is a sponge. That thing's paper thin, huh? So, okay, that would be your sponge. I never seen that before. Keep moist with distilled water. So I had to pick up some distilled water. Yeah, right. Oh, do not use faucet water. Yeah, these antenna things, I don't even have them on my irons. I always remove them. Okay, so this will snap in here like that. Alright, let's set that to the side. So this is the vacuum system. It's a weird box. See, I was always wondering what this was right here. Yeah, it's a filter system. So you can see that if the filter needs to be cleaned, from what I understand. Comes with a power adapter. Now, why would it need a power adapter? It should just run off the equipment. You get 2 sets of filters. One set of yeah, this is gonna be fun. Updating the machine software and stuff. Man, they're crazy with the packaging. What's this? ounces of power. Oh, this thing's heavy. So you got different plugs for different countries, I guess. I will be using this one, the US. And this is a kind of little beefy power supply. Got some weight to it. It has 24 volts output, and it's 24 volts, 2.0 amps, 48 watts. These the filters or something? No. Imagine this is an inline filter. We got the JBC branding. Looks like it can come apart. Replace the filters. Yeah, just tons of stuff. You got our cable, obviously. Short cable. So it's not as thick as the other cables, it's like half the thickness. We got our cotton filters here. Yep, so that's our filters that go in this thingamajiggy. Inline filter system. Front filter set. Oh, that thing's so small. Yeah, so it takes. Alright, so they came with 2 sets of them. So 2 replacements. Like HEPA filters or something. Here's the unit. I like their packaging. They changed it up on their packaging. Oh, this thing's light. I just noticed off the bat there's kind of like a little bit of scratches on the front plate. They don't have no plastic film or anything. So I imagine this opens the filter system, or you pull this down, replace the filter. So 2 sets, I don't know if it just takes 1 filter, probably just 1 filter. Oh, okay, so the hose goes right here. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to take this apart and see what's inside it. A teardown video. So this is a modular, like it'll sit right on top of the other JBC, that's how they have these. So this is your input, your output. I think my next thing I'm gonna get from JBC is the foot pedal. Now I gotta find more space for this. Another plug on the bench. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the unboxing video. So for you guys know that it does come with the cleaning kit. You don't have to buy that extra, because I almost added that to the cart. Lucky I did. Yeah, the kit's not cheap. Is the kit worth $350, $400? No. I say for this kit they should be charging about no more than $250. Yeah, pretty pricey tag on this stuff right here. Basically $2,000 for everything. But yeah, this is an unboxing of the desoldering sucker gun. Can't call it doesn't look like a gun anymore. Iron, whatever. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.